In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily add your Behance portfolio link to your LinkedIn profile. This is a fantastic way to showcase your creative work to recruiters, potential employers, and new connections. Having your Behance portfolio readily accessible can open doors and spark conversations, allowing others to appreciate your creativity and experience directly. Let's dive into this step-by-step process. First, you'll want to start by grabbing the URL of your Behance portfolio. Head over to your Behance profile page in any web browser. You'll find your unique portfolio URL right in the address bar at the top of your browser. Highlight this URL and use the copy function to ensure you've got it ready to paste later on. This URL is essentially the gateway into your world of creative work, and it's what you'll be sharing with those who visit your LinkedIn profile. The next step involves making your way over to LinkedIn. Go to the LinkedIn website and log in using your credentials if you haven't already. Upon signing in, take a moment to click on your profile icon or your name to navigate directly to your own profile page. This is your professional space, and adding your Behance link here is going to enrich it significantly. Now, it's time to add your Behance link to your LinkedIn profile through the Featured section. Look for the Add Profile section button, which is typically located near your name or headline on the profile page. Clicking it will reveal several options, but your focus will be the Add Featured option under the Recommended category. This section allows you to showcase your proudest work, making it visible to anyone who visits your profile. Once you're in the Featured section settings, choose the Links option. Here's where the magic happens. You'll paste the Behance portfolio URL you've copied earlier into the designated field. Make sure it's correct to ensure visitors are led directly to your Behance page. To make your Behance link stand out, take the time to give it a custom title. Something as simple as, "My Behance portfolio" can be effective to convey exactly what it is. Adding a brief description is also highly suggested. It provides context and can entice visitors to explore your work further. This could be a sentence or two about the type of work they can expect to see in your portfolio, perhaps highlighting a memorable project or a style you excel in. Once you're satisfied with the title and description, all that's left to do is click Save. This step will add your Behance link to your LinkedIn profile's Featured section, making it easily accessible to anyone who visits your page. It's a simple action that presents your work beautifully. And there you have it. Your Behance portfolio link is now proudly featured on your LinkedIn profile. This integration allows your creative achievements to speak for themselves, offering a visual and engaging way for others to connect with your work. Thanks for tuning in, and happy networking.